Hi, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a stave, call it Veda, and designed by Velya and Seriy. This runic stave is designed to develop extrasensory and empathic abilities. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is one of many from my collections of rune formulas and rune staves. Those are available for you right now. All links are in the description of the video. So this stave will help you develop extrasensory abilities. The abilities, those are natural for you, will open up. Many people have latent magical abilities, but they usually open up after critical episodes in life. This stave works in a similar manner, so be warned. You might think that you are going insane during the work of this stave, because it is actively rearranging your inner world. It will help you develop strong foresight and intuition and discover extrasensory and empathic abilities. The runes in this runic stave are Manas and Perthro. These runes put you through a process of rebirth and formation of a new personality. The runes Manas and Ansus is a sacred formula and transition to a new level of being. The runes Lagus and Ansus improve your foresight and intuition. The runes Sovilo and Kenas give you energy and clarity of consciousness, enlightenment and insight. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, go get my free runes cheat sheet PDF file with all the rune meanings and divination spreads. A word of warning before activating any runic stave or any magical construct at all. It would be wise to check with rune divination to verify that it will be safe for you and that it will work as expected before activation. If you don't know how to do that, you can learn on my course. To activate this rune formula, you can use the next incantation. From the moment of activation, this runic stave regenerates my personality, takes me to a new level of perception of reality of the subtle plane, opens up my limitless empathic and extrasensory abilities, and also makes me strong in foresight and intuition. To activate it, you can draw it on a piece of paper, trace each rune, and then put a candle on it and let it burn down completely. For a more powerful ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, learn it on my course. My course are short, value-packed video with years of my experience condensed into a 20-minute video that will enable you to work with the runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing the mistakes that beginners do, those often prevent the runes from working at all. This runic stave has a very mystical and magical energy, therefore activating it on Monday, the day of the moon, or on Wednesday, the day of the Wodan or day of Odin, will be the best.